to my channel. If you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell so that you would never miss a notification once I post new videos. And if you like this video now, be sure to give it a thumbs up. So I'm just going to jump right into it. I know that I haven't posted a video in a while, and today I'm going to be reviewing two products, which is the Eden Essentials Body Works, or Eden Body Works Essentials Hydrate and Soothe Butter. It is for hair and body, but in today's use I am going to be using it for my hair. This is a nice creamy consistency and it smells really good. I can't wait to use it. The ingredients, I think the ingredients are super good. When I was shopping for it, I kind of read a bit of them when I was in the store. And it starts with water, and you can't beat that. For me, I love products that includes water. So it has water, coconut oil, vegetable oil, aloe vera leaf juice, avocado oil, honey, castor seed oil. It has a lot of good ingredients in it, and I feel like this product is going to be super amazing. It was $15 here at a local store in Nassau, the Bahamas. And I really didn't mind spending $15 because it's a pretty big bottle, which I'm sure will last me quite a while. And to my next product, the Eco Styler. Yay! I'm going to be using the Eco Styler olive oil and shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed gel. Now, I was super excited to get this gel, mostly because, and this is so shallow, but mostly because the container is gold and I just love pretty stuff. And when I saw it, I was just like, I have to try this. So I really wanted to try it, and then when I was shopping today and I saw the name, I was just like, oh, okay, so I see what they did here. They took the olive oil, they took the black castor and flaxseed gel, and then put some shea butter and then created it into one. Now, this should be pretty amazing. I've heard some pretty good reviews on it. The most accurate review for oneself is to try it yourself. And I won't even talk about the way this smells. It smells so good. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, guys. Because summer is coming up, and it's gonna get seriously hot, I am switching up my hair regimen. So I am going to be using creams and then coating them with gels just to secure my wash and goes, to prevent as much frizz as I can. I know no frizz at all is impossible, but if I can control the frizz, that would be awesome. And so I'm going to start off with these two products. I'm going to pair them together, and I have a really good feeling. So I've co-washed my hair, very fresh co-wash. My wash and go that I had before this was 3 to 4 days old. But it was frozen, like I said, because it's getting so hot. Like, it's really humid here. It's maybe like it's in the 90s, not maybe, it is in the 90s, and that's really hot. And so my hair is starting to get frizzy, and I know that the products that I were using wouldn't be able to hold up in the heat too tough. So I co-washed with Tropical Bliss Berry Fresh co-wash. I have absolutely nothing on my hair. So this is my hair wet with no products. Absolutely no products. I didn't shampoo, I didn't use any conditioners, nothing. I just co-washed. Catch me with them sneak pictures. With product, I've used the cream and the Eco Styler gel. No product, and also not detangled. Let me be honest. No product and not detangled. Product and detangled. You see? So honestly, products do really make a difference in like the overall appearance of your hair and how they like enhance your curl pattern. Without this butter and this gel, I wouldn't have these nice moist looking curls on this side. I'd probably have this, and then once it starts to dry, it would probably dry looking like that. So that's a major difference. Major. Hey, this side off of camera, and then I'm going to be back to show you how it looks. So as you can see, I have done both sides. This side is still damp, still pretty damp, and this side is damp as well. I have coated all of the strands of my hair with the Eating Essentials. Just in case you missed it, I have coated my hair with this first, which is the Eating Essentials Body Works hair butter. Well, for hair and body butter. And I have coated it with the Gold Eco Styler, which is the olive oil and shea butter, black castor oil, flaxseed gel. And so this is how my hair looks whilst it is still wet. I'm really excited to see it when it dries. I love it. It looks so good. I am all for defined curls. I'm defined. I love when my curls just look healthy and moist and just very well put together. So I'm stoked to see this dry. So I'm gonna update you guys. Well, not update, but I'm gonna be back in a few when my hair is completely dry, and I'm going to show you the dried results. Hey guys, so I'm back and I'm showing you my curls in their dried state. Look at it. It is so freaking gorgeous. I love it. My hair has absolutely no cast. I have no cast at all. My curls are gorgeous. My hair feels nice and soft. Today someone touched it and they were just like, your hair is soft, and they were like, you did something different because your hair looks more moist today. And I'm like, yes, I switched my regimen. I have found my summer products. No worries, I'm gonna test more, but definitely Eden Body Essentials and Eco Styler Gold is definitely gonna be my go-to summer products. I am in love. I'm in love. I love it. Make sure you cop those products. And guys, again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get the notifications, and be sure to follow me on Instagram at Leuxkey, LEAUXKEY_. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.